Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Kawasaki KLR650 Dual Sport. This is the one that everybody buys to take that trip to Patagonia or down in through Africa. You can pretty much fix it anywhere you need to, anywhere in the world. This one's equipped with racks, hand guards. It's got a really awesome sounding exhaust system. Come by, check it out. Price to sell, just $4,499. Only 17,000 miles. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. Where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.